Creating a Shopify store for international dropshipping involves several steps to ensure smooth operations and compliance with regulations. Here's a simplified guide. Sign up for Shopify. Visit the Shopify website and sign up for an account. Choose a suitable pricing plan based on your business needs. Set up your store. Customize your store's design, including themes, logo, and branding elements. Configure settings such as currency, language, and shipping options to cater to international customers. Choose dropshipping suppliers. Research and select reliable dropshipping suppliers that offer international shipping services. Consider factors like product quality, shipping times, and customer service. Import products. Use Shopify apps or integrations like Overload to import products from your chosen suppliers directly into your store. Organize products into categories and optimize product listings with compelling descriptions and images. Configure payment gateways. Set up secure payment gateways that support international transactions, such as Shopify Payments, PayPal, or third-party payment processors compatible with Shopify. Optimize for SEO. Optimize your store for search engines to attract international customers. Use relevant keywords in product descriptions, titles, and meta tags. Create content that resonates with your target audience and encourages engagement. Test and launch. Thoroughly test your store's functionality, including checkout processes and shipping calculations, to ensure a seamless shopping experience for international customers. Once everything is set up and tested, launch your store and start promoting it to attract customers from around the world.